Are you ready to transform your Shopify product pages from good to great and watch your sales soar? Let's dive headfirst into adding trust badges, those sleek little icons that scream safe and secure to your potential customers. Step 1. Select your badges. These digital security seals let customers know you can be trusted when purchasing from your store. Focus on badges that highlight security, payment protection, and money-back guarantees. Now, let's get those badges onto your site. Head over to the Shopify App Store, search for Trust Badge or Security Badge apps. You'll find plenty of options here, some free and some paid, offering a variety of styles and features. Read the reviews and see which ones integrate seamlessly with your theme. Next up, install your chosen app. Once installed, the app typically provides a dashboard where you can customize your badges. You can usually change the colors, size, and placement. Pay extra attention to the placement of your badges to best spot, typically right below your product's price or near the Add to Cart button. This ensures your customers see them at the critical moment of decision-making. Test out different placements to find what works best for your store. Customize the appearance of your badges to match your brand's overall look and feel. A cohesive aesthetic builds trust. Then, publish, and always make sure to double-check your product pages on both desktop and mobile to ensure your trust badges look perfect on every device. Congratulations, you've successfully added trust badges to your product pages. Now watch your conversion rates potentially increase as shoppers feel more confident. Adding trust badges gives your store that extra layer of credibility, letting customers know that shopping with you is entirely secure.